To our primetime news follow-up now. Even as the police have heightened their clampdown on the sale of counterfeit goods, vendors in downtown Kingston remain defiant. For them, it brings in both customers and cash. TVJ's Anthony Lugg visited the busy shopping district today and filed this report.
The police have launched crackdown on stores selling counterfeit goods. But here on the streets of downtown Kingston, counterfeit goods are everywhere.
Stalls, mannequins and stores. Counterfeits are even on tarpaulins on the streets of downtown Kingston. It's the place where many come to get anything from clothing to footwear and accessories. But though the streets are flooded with counterfeits, not all persons are selling them.
So Forever 21, we have Aldo, we have Nike, we have Chicago, we have Lakers. Just look, name all the brand them, we have it right here, so can be real things to sell yourself.
Recently, the police clamped down on 2 stores and seized over 300 million in counterfeit goods. This vendor, who calls herself Mimi, spoke against the clampdown.
What wrong? Explain to we what's wrong with China coming here and buy. We can't buy America any more cheaper than we are real Adidas and a real Reebok yet until when China come in. So how China for wrong for the business?
Today we visited her stall.
China wholesale a fake. Yeah. I'm selling it for $1,000. So what happened?
What about people who say the counterfeit things them not good?
Alright, puss have money take it buy butter and cheese. Me now have the money for buy butter and cheese. So me can't say like what them say. Me like China. And me like what China made. So you can't fight against my feelings and my love and my like and me like for them.
But while Mimi shared that view, others saw things differently.
First time when we spent 1,000, and my mommy spent even 3,000. Son and daughter, brother and sister could get a good way from it. 6 months up to a year. These things that the China bringing in now, every 3 weeks I for me sell shoes, and my customer keep coming half 10. While in past time, one shoes could, and next brother and sister could wear it.
The China them for go on home, because them come in with a whole heap of fake and mash up the market. We can't deal with it when I know the real from the fake. And the real things that we used to, we can't tell about China things then.
And with some vendors indicating that selling these goods are their only source of income, Assistant Superintendent Victor Barrett, who's attached to CTOC, says the police are committed to the fight.
A journey with 1,000 miles started the first step, and we are making strides. We are committed to the task at hand, and it's part of our remit. And as I always say, wherever the evidence leads us, we will go.
And with reports surfacing that business operators selling counterfeit have been threatened, ASP Barrett offered this advice.
Extortionists might be visiting these persons and purporting to be working with CTOC. We are saying that CTOC don't operate like this. CTOC doesn't collect money. You understand me? So whenever you see any of these persons come to your business after we have an operation, call the police.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.